All right, moving right along. We finally got Spanner working. This was the last terminal it was working in, where it was doing a phase of the project we're working on. This is the new one, and it's working now. And if you look over here, it says, oh my bad, launching phase 3 via spawn command, which is up now. Launch cleanly, workspace. Okay, that's good. But something else that I did here is I wanted this whole thing we're working on to be in a project. And it finally, I got it to create the project so we can keep everything in this project. And if you come in this project, we have a README, just like GitHub, because it is on GitHub too. Commits, issues, pull requests, and files. So I'm happy that's working. I'm very happy. So I'm gonna come back down here to where I was at with Spawner. And if I could find that, damn it, man, I need to find that thread we were in. Okay, this is it. It's just telling me what it's doing here. But I was talking to Queen, because I'm just talking to Queen. I'm not talking to Spawner. Queen is directing Spawner. I don't need to talk to Spawner. I just need to say, Queen, check in, tell me what's going on. And this is what it's doing here. Phase 2 done. So the pipeline phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 in progress. Good. Spawner does not report to me. All of these agents report to Queen. Queen reports to me. And I've also told Queen, don't complicate things when you're giving me an explanation. Simple English. Leave all that other stuff for the agents. Don't complicate stuff for me. So it's going through the steps now, doing the phases. And actually what we're building is, I had one agent do research on if we were to build this buzz for a business, and we needed to find what exactly they need as far as agents go. And I'm gonna pull something up here. I can't see. I'm gonna pull something up here that'll kind of give you an idea of. Okay, here we go. Now this is something else I built way before I even knew about Buzz. I didn't know anything about Buzz, but that's the way fate works. It will lead you into something that will lead you into something else. I'm gonna pull this up. I'm gonna pull this up in this screen so you can see it. Make it big. Let's skip this. This is Agent Factory. So the whole reason I made this was from a video I seen on YouTube. It inspired me. They were talking about forward deployment engineering, and this is what it was about. Like when you go question the business, there's certain questions you can ask that business to zero in on what type of agents they really need instead of just throwing AI at them and hoping something works. It's very accurate and precise technique that's used. I built this app along the lines of what he was saying after doing a little research. This is a full stack app. It is not just a demo version. It really works. And along with that, I have analytics. Well, there's nothing to analyze yet. So you can analyze how much your agent is helping their business after all this is filled out. And I created
Business
a tutorial.
Name. The business this agent represents. It shapes how the agent introduces itself. Slug, a short, URL-friendly id, lowercase letters and hyphens.
So I'm not going to get into the whole tutorial. That's why I made this app, and it ties perfectly into Buzz, because Buzz will be the platform that we're using to build our agents and have them working. So it's all tying in together. And once I figure out how to get these local models to work in here, so I already have one working in here now that I don't have to pay for. It's doing two different things: email triage and my CRM invoices. So I don't have to pay for that. I don't have to use any of my Anthropic tokens for that or my subscription tokens for that. The problem is you have to have hardware that can run a large enough model that can do a lot of complicated tool calls, multiple tool calls, and not spill over into your CPU. Sounds complicated. I'm still learning it, but I grasp the idea. So that's our update now. We showed you the YouTuber uploader. That's working. And it uploads to Reddit too. So all of that's working. But I want to get into the bare bones of this thing and make sure that the back end of it is doing what I needed to do without running my budget up, and I save some money and use what I have available as local models on my machine and on my server machine that I can use around the clock for free, and save all the other stuff for my subscriptions. So I'm deep into this, y'all. Ain't no turning back now. Mr. Mo 28, I'm out.